Alright, I'm out here in Chattanooga Valley Road near Lookout Mountain, Georgia. As you can see, we got a pair of gateless signals here, one of which appears this is originally an old tag install, believe it or not. Because it's the former tag railway main line, later the Chattanooga and Chickamauga Railway branch line down to Kensington. But this signal over here appears to be a newer one, probably installed by Norfolk Southern, if I had to guess. Probably in the 90s it looks like. But yeah, let's start with this signal, the newer one. As you can see, it actually has a 5-inch mast on it. We have a Safetran base down there. I actually do not know the dot number for this crossing because there's no surviving dot tag, it looks like. But up here we got some Safetran 8-inch lights, as you can see. And right there you can take a look at the back of that guy. As you can see, these are from the 90s because they have the Hawker Siddeley square on them, I guess you could say, or rectangle. Then we got a West Colton Hayes E bell up there, the only bell at this crossing that this bike could go past. And over here we got the second signal, which is the old tag one, I believe. This one, it has a Transport Products Corp clamp style base on it, which is neat to see. Right here's where a dot tag used to be, but as you can see, it's sadly long gone, so I have no idea what the dot number is. Then we got more Safetran 8-inch lights from the 90s, probably installed to when that signal's replaced, replacing the previous 8-inch lights here, which I have no idea what they were. But as you can see, another more 90s Safetran 8-inch lights. Not too often you see those. And I'm just gonna end off with this view real fast for the crossing signals. As you can see, one of the lights here is on that signal is also crooked, and the visor's coming off. But over here, over there, you got the relay case, the tiny little relay case, which has a little battery well next to it. As you can see, this milepost is 6.9, so we're 6.9 miles, just under 7 miles from Chattanooga, Tennessee. That way is looking south on the line towards the plant in Kensington, Georgia this line serves, and eventually down to Gadsden, Alabama. And that way is looking north towards Chattanooga, Tennessee. So yeah, this is a Van Road crossing on Chattanooga Valley Road near Lookout Mountain, Georgia. Over and out.